Is your Discord status not showing your Roblox activity? Learn how to fix it in under 2 minutes. First, make sure Roblox is running. Then we'll dive into Discord settings to enable activity sharing. First, open the Roblox app and leave the game running in the background. Then head over to Discord. Now, click the gear icon, also known as User Settings, in the bottom left corner of the Discord app to open your settings. In Settings, find the Activity Privacy section and click on it. Then enable the toggle. Toggle on Share My Activity to let Discord know you're playing Roblox. Once that's done, click the X in the top right corner to exit settings. Your active Roblox status should now appear in the list with a green indicator. Click on your profile to see how long you've been playing. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.